It is Fever 104 FM. Every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, I bring in Dr. Sheila M. Bajaj to answer your questions. Anything you wish to ask her, feel free to give us a call. You can send us a WhatsApp on 9739 104 104. Noted tarot card reader, numerology expert, Dr. Sheila M. Bajaj is in the studio.
Kismet Connection. Kismet.
We were speaking about how Dr. Sheila was first introduced to tarot card reading and numerology, and the story is so very fascinating. Dr. Sheila, you actually offer courses where
Yes.
people can actually learn how to do this, and there are lots and lots of numerology experts that have come from your guidance, your university of sorts, right?
Yes. So I teach tarot to people. That's the beginning. I mean, I don't teach numerology yet, but I teach tarot to people, and there are lots and lots of people who learn from me. I also have an organization where really good tarot card readers are absorbed there, and soon I'll have like a platform for psychics and healers, and that's still in the pipeline. So there are a lot of people who learn from me, and anyone can learn. But I tell people that if you have this urge or this kida andar to transform people's life, to if you have just a calling, and if you're ruled by, let's say, a number 2 in your date of birth, if you're ruled by number 7 in your date of birth, you can make a fabulous tarot card reader. Also, if you're a number 9 person. So number 2, number 7 and number 9 people are very inclined towards spirituality and spiritual stuff, and they're also very good at it. They would be really, really good at it. Number 2 people are very intuitive. They also make extremely good. They are naturally psychic. Their gut feeling is very strong. You're a number 2, Sriram.
Yeah.
So their gut feeling is super strong. Like, you should trust your gut feeling before you trust any psychic. So number 2 people will just be a natural at it. Number 7 are in general it's a spiritual number, so they'll be fabulous at it. And number 9, it falls under the purpose of their life. They are meant to do something for humanity. So a lot of information, they actually make the best teachers and the best coaches and counselors. So if you're a number 9, 7 or 2, you could take it up. And I teach a basic class, which is actually a foundation class, which is Zen Tarot. And then I teach the next deck, which is Rider Waite, which is this deck that you see right here in my hand. And then I teach remedies as a different module. And then I teach Feng Shui as a separate class. Apart from that, I also teach Reiki. I also teach people, I don't teach. What I don't teach is numerology yet, but I do teach people healing. I do teach some people chakra healing. That's about it. Yeah, I have a lot of courses in my organization, like candle magic. We have a runes class. We have palmistry, but all taught by different instructors. But the courses that I teach are tarot, feng shui, and a little bit of vastu. Advanced tarot card reading, remedies, crystals, all of that in one masterclass.
You can feel free to reach out to Dr. Sheila M. Bajaj. We'll be speaking about chakras on the show as well. That apart, lots of questions that keep coming in. We'll get to answering those questions in a few as well. Kismet Connection with Dr. Sheila M. Bajaj. Log on to her website. You'll find a whole lot of content on her YouTube channel as well. Just look out for Sheila M. Bajaj on Instagram.